starting. It's starting. It's
And back
starting.
below that is the blacksmith shop, Red Wagon.
Yeah.
That's
Mama,
that
say
building.
hi. Mama,
And
say
if you look
hi.
up to your left, down there,
Alex, look, I'm videotaping.
Memorial is.
Alex, look. Alex. I'm videotaping. This is going to be on YouTube.
And down on your bottom right.
Look at everything. We're going to the petting zoo. Petting zoo.
And the
to
rest
petting
of the building
zoo.
here on your right. These are our restrooms. That's your convenience.
What the heck,
And
guys?
the end of the train gauge, if you look up on the hill there, that's where our
Too
mini
bad,
golf is.
train. You got broken. Bye. 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 Bye, train. Bye. Oh my God!
And next on your left, the old Wilson building. That's
Oh
where
my
my
gosh.
son's warehouse has been for many years.
Look, there's animals. I think.
And down on your bottom
Aw,
left,
no
that's the petting
animals.
zoo.
Too bad.
And next on your left,
What are we supposed to be looking at?
line gauge is where sheep of the line is. I can remember the fish of the
I don't see any
About 12 years
lions.
old now.
Where are the lions? Hello, people. You're on YouTube.
All right, petting zoo exit.
Well, ¿vas a salir? No, no, no. Petting zoo, no. ¿No vamos a salir?
Si quieres ir a la siguiente estación, te sales. Si quieres caminar, mejor te echas.
Okay, so some reason we stopped. What you doing? What you doing? Got you. No, you didn't. Daddy, what you did? What are you guys talking about?
Grammar.
Grammar. And get it. See you in the next episode.